Guys, mga kababayan, panoorin natin yung panggigipit na ginawa ng mga congressman sa batasan kay Atty. Lopez. Panoorin natin at i-share na rin at mag-subscribe na rin kayo. Malaking tulong na yan sa akin yung subscribe. Panoorin natin, guys.
No, ma'am, please.
Reaction tayo, guys. Reaction.
Walang
Nangyari sa
problema, sir. But I need my lawyer.
batas.
Before we can effect this one.
I need my lawyer. No, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going anywhere. Just leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, may check mo muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Leave me and lahat ha. I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Okay po muna.
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now. Please just leave the room now.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghihintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now. Okay, please just go out. Leave the room now.
For the years 2022, Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order. Apo. Yes,
Ang
ma'am.
nangyari pa nito is
This is a defense.
di umano
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Apo, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
kinuha ng taga
May space kayo para
Yes, ma'am.
diba?
Ma'am, let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's,
saka
yes ma'am, but
subscribe
before
na
I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue? Into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President Eileen, for the years 2022, 2023.
Yun na, sinugod na. Kawawa naman, oh. Nag-resource person lang siya, pero ang nangyari sa kanya, kawawa naman. Ba nangyari? Masakla pa ron, hindi pa kagad pinapasok yung doktor ni Atty. Lopez. Laban lang, Inday Sara.
Walang promo, mag-ipon muna ako ngayon.
I really don't understand. This would...
Jason, do you have follow-up?
Okay na ako, Sir Jace. Thank you po.
Any other from the OVP? Or taxi inquirers? Do you have
Ma'am, good morning, I guess. Tanong ko lang, ma'am, tama ba sa 9 na tao ang pumasok dyan sa detention cell nyo at 12 midnight?
Yeah, pumasok
Okay.
sila. And then when
Okay.
they were reading, sabi ko bakit, gabi na, oras na nang matutulog kami. And I said, they just want to read me something. And I said, no, you cannot, kasi patulog na kami. This is
I mean, it's already 12 o'clock in the evening and then pumasok na sila one by one. Isa may camera, isa yung parang taga-sergeant at arms, and then iba may mga police, male and female. I'm not sure if it's mine, but it's certainly more than me. I am just by myself with my companion here. And then, I don't understand. Parang ganun ba yun? Ganun ba ang nangyayari sa bansa natin? Na they just parang badger and go to your room and then demand you to go with them? What if I didn't know that I had to get a lawyer? So I told her, I said, I am not leaving this room until my lawyer comes. But instead, sabi nila sila doon yung lawyer, sumama document, I have to, they can process like everything on the way from me to Mandaluyong. I don't trust these people because they do not respect my rights. What kind of country is this?
Follow-up lang, ma'am. Were you able to communicate na with the... With,
Diba? Ang mga ordinaryong tao, they just treat like that? That is not correct.
okay, follow-up lang, ma'am. Were you able to, or anyone from your party, were able to communicate with Congressman Joel Chua, the chairperson? I mean, siya yung signatory, I believe, doon sa order na yun. Kay Congressman Joel Chua, ma'am. Yes, ako. Were you able to communicate with them or anyone from his...
No, not yet because I got really scared. Kasi I think anytime now they will parang break this door and just take me away.
Guys, let me break this lang kakatingin mo lang ng mga media friends sa labas. Lahat doon ng HR ay magpapasok ng media.
This steamed egg stand is really convenient. Designed specifically for steamed eggs, it is perfectly layered.
Government employee. All this year, nagtatrabaho lang naman po ako.
Si Atty. Lopez.
I don't even respect your rights.
Friday ba yun?
I do not understand. What kind of country is this?
Pasukin.
I'm so scared because I'm sure they're going to break that door anytime now. Alam nyo, ginawa ko, tilagay ko yung katre, yung double deck na bed, pinush ko sa door para hindi sila makapasok. I'm so scared.
May masamang gawin sila nun kasi bakit pasukin na tapos ating gabi.
I came back from the US. I attended the hearing in good faith. I answered all their questions. Hindi ako nanggulo. Honestly, I was very, respectful in answering all their questions to the very best of my ability. Ang sabi nila sa akin, mag-FR lang daw ako, which I did. It's my right. Ang sinabi ko, na parang nagtalaga ng meaning answer to the best of my ability, and I attended that in good faith. And they said, mag-MR ka, we will let you go. So we filed our MR, they did not rule on it, but suddenly they were able to come out with an order ruling to transfer me to the Women's Correctional.
Sinabi nila sa iyo. Diba? Sinabi nila sa iyo. Kung namin yung
May kaso.
Sabi nila sa akin, notice if you were in the hearing, di ba? Sinuspend po ng Chairman Chua yung session. Tapos, nung sinayt po ako ni Congressman Castro in contempt, then after that, nag-rule sila. Tapos, sinuspend niya. Tapos, lumapit mo sila. Nag-huddle sila. And then, they called my lawyer. And then, told him na kausapin ko. So, lumapit ako. And I really apologize. I said, that letter to the Commission on Audit was really a position of the agency. It is our stand. Like, all, di ba? Like, meron kang points na gusto mo i-raise. We respectfully raise our points to the Commission on Audit. Alam ko, hindi naman po yung mali kasi that was our right as an agency. Because there was an ongoing audit investigation. Pero hindi naman namin kinukuha yung right ng COA to decide on the matter. But even if sinabi ko, alam ko yung mali yun, they said na parang we were, trying to undermine it. So I apologize. And I was good that gave an apology to Congressman Castro. But they said, Sabi nila sa akin, alam mo, i-produce mo na lang yung apat. I-produce mo yung apat.
Tama.
Pero sir,
Naliwanag yan ni ano eh,
hindi naman po ang pag-attend po ng hearing is a personal by best. And then they said na parang no, paano ka pa naging chief of staff kung hindi mo naman kaya i-produce yan? I-produce mo sila. And I said, may rights din naman po yung mga tao, di ba? I can only, as chief of staff,
Bubuhin yung kaso.
tell them, so, go. Diba, go. But if ayaw po nilang sumama, hindi ko na walang, I do not have that power over them because people have rights if they want to, join the hearing or not. But that's what they said. Tapos when, and then, yun yung sinabi ko because I really cannot commit to make them attend because it's a personal choice like me. I choose to come back and attend. Diba? So, and then after that, nag-public apology na ako before the session was like, diba, suspended. Nag-public apology din ako kay Congressman Castro and I made it, parang I raised again to please lift that order because wala naman talaga intention ng Office of the Vice President, to undermine either the Commission on Audit or the House of Representatives in their powers. That was not the point. But nung nilalabas na po ako, hinabol na naman nila. Hinabol nila kami. And then they said, i-produce mo yung apat. I-produce mo yung apat. But I cannot do that. Right?
Talagang ano siya,
I cannot decide for other people what they want to do. Yan na rin sa akin. Oh, this is what they do to you. There's an envelope that I can just move you out of nowhere.
I-share niyo to guys para alam ng kababayan natin na ginagawa nila. Sa ginagawa nila ngayon. I-share natin to, i-share.
Diba? How can I do that? I can only produce myself. Which I have done.
OVP Liga, are you still there? Anyone gusto ko magtanong kay ma'am?
Ma'am, I know you're very much, ngayon, in a very emotional mood right now. Pero ma'am, I want to ask lang po, do you think po ba na the order to move you to correctional was, yun nga po, I'd like to reiterate this again kasi kanina po nandyan po sa house si Kong Joel, si SAA Naptaas, and also so do you think po ba nangyari po itong decision na to while they were at the House of Representatives at talking to media na pakiramdam nila would na baka dahil nga the Vice President is there, she's high security, it's now time to move you out of to correctional para mawala si VP dyan sa House?
No, I am not part of this, political claim. I am not. I'm just a regular government employee. Really, I do not understand that entire, gamut of whatever it is that is happening politically. I don't. I'm just a worker in the office of the Vice President. So I don't know why they're doing this to me. I don't know.
Yun lang po, ma'am. Yun lang po, ma'am.
Ay, hello, pwede po magtanong. Bonds from Rappler. Ma'am, Zuleika, ask ko lang po, so what's going to happen next? Sasama po ba kayo? Ano po ba yung pwedeng abangan or mangyayari dito sa ginagawang ng mga PNP personnel outside your detention facility?
I am not leaving my room. I am not. I am a detainee here at the House of Representatives. I am not an accused. I am not an accused na pupunta sa isang jail facility. I am not an accused. I have my rights. I have my rights. I am not moving. I am not leaving this room. I am not.
Ma'am, JC here. May circulating ngayon na documents na on your transfer. Can you confirm that? Pinakita ba po ba sa inyo yun?
I gave it to my lawyer. I gave it to my lawyer.
Ma'am, sorry, your lawyer is the vice president, ma'am. Tama po ba?
Yes, nandito po siya. And I also have a private lawyer. I think he arrived na. He's also outside.
Ma'am, clarify po ma'am, nandiyan po si vice president, ma'am, no? Nandiyan po sa tabi ninyo si vice president.
Yes, I called her. I called her kasi they just barged in eh. Pumasok lang talaga sila. Nakikita niyo ba yung katre sa likod ko? Pinush ko po yan para hindi sila makapasok. Kasi I told them, I want my lawyers. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. And then I told them to get out of this room. Because as a detainee of this facility, this is my space. And then one day that I pushed that. Look at that. I pushed that by myself. I have a chronic backache. Because I am so scared. Hindi ko eh. People have rights in this country.
Okay po ma'am.
JC, I have a question. Is it okay to ask a question?
Yes. Who's this person? Sino po ito?
Si Ana po. Si Ana po ito. Oo.
Yes po,
Ana,
sige. Yes po.
Manila Times columnist po. Okay.
Yes,
Ang
po.
tanong
Sure po na.
Opo, ang tanong ko po kay Attorney Laika, what's your appeal to Congressman Chua? And then, that's one question to the speaker. Kasi sila naman talaga ang ano dito eh, ang kung tutuusin sa kanila yung mga utos ng gagaling eh. On the other hand po, another question din dito sa chat group is what legal remedies can be done po sa tingin ninyo? Kung mayroon pa, kasi given the situation, parang wala nang batas na umiiral eh. Yun po yung tanong ko po, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Salamat, JC.
Ang sa akin lang, please respect my rights as a person, as a Filipino in this country. I am not accused. I was given and served an order for detention here in HOR. Hindi ko na alam ano yung ways forward kasi parang wala nang batas sa bansang ito. Wala na. Kahit ano na lang pwede, paiba-iba. Tapos isi-serve nila sa'yo in the middle of the night. What is that? Is that even right? Wala na pong batas, ma'am. Wala na pong batas sa bansang ito.
Opo, maraming salamat, Attorney Laika.
Ma'am Hana?
Po.
Ma'am Hana?
Opo.
Ma'am Hana? I was just informed by the OVP Legal, nasa labas po sila ng HOR gate, pero ayaw din silang papasukin.